Hi everybody, today I'll show you how to add AJAX search in WordPress. So let's just begin. Alright, so to add the AJAX search in the WordPress, the first thing that we have to do is to install the plugin. So for that we have to go inside add new plugin, and here we have to search for AJAX search lite, okay, by Ernest. So we have to install this and we have to activate this plugin. So I have already installed and activated this. Alright. So after this, what we have to do, we have to go inside the dashboard of our AJAX search lite. Alright. Okay, so here, how can we use this? We can use this in the form of the shortcode. So if you want to use it as a shortcode, like anywhere on the WordPress, you can use that. And also you can use it as a widget. Okay, so right now I'm going to simply copy the shortcode from here and I would create a new page here. Alright. Okay, so here I'm going to write down the name of the page. That would be search AJAX, let's say sample or something like this. Alright, so now let's click on edit with Elementor. And you can also use this in this default WordPress editor, but I'm going to use the Elementor here. So here what I have to do, I just have to search for the shortcode. Alright, so here we have to paste the shortcode that we have copied earlier. So let's put it like here. Alright, so here you can see this, we have our search bar. So we can add some space from the top side. So let's click on this container and click on the advanced. Let's just add some spacing from the top. So let's go here with the 50 px. Alright, so that will work fine. So let's click on publish. Now let's click on have a look. And now you will be able to see our AJAX search bar here. So if I just try to search something here, right now it will only return you either the page or the post, because right now it is only searching based on the pages or the post. So if I just write down something like N, alright, so you can see here we have the new arrival, contact page, we have my account page and the collection, and you can also see the other options here as well. Alright, so now we're going to use this inside the widget. Okay, so now we're going to go back into our AJAX search lite. Okay, so we can simply remove this thing. Okay, so now what we have to do, we have to go inside the appearance, click on the widgets. Alright, so in the widgets, I wanted to add this into my main sidebar. So if I just open up my website here, let's just click on visit site. And if I can show you here, this is where I want to put this. Alright, so here I want to put our search bar. Okay, so let's go back now. And here we have to add the block. And here we have to search for AJAX search lite, that is already there. Okay, so I'm going to write down AJAX search lite. Okay, so you can see the two options here. You can basically use any of these options. So I'm going to go here with the first one and let's just click on update. And I can also add the title here. So let's add the title. So this will be like search AJAX. Okay, so you can basically name it however you want to use it. But right now let's click on update. And we'll go back to our website, refresh the page, and now you'll be able to see our AJAX search bar. Okay, so now we're going to talk about the customization of it. So in the customization, we can go back here and we have to go inside the AJAX search lite. Okay, so what we can do here, so the first thing that we can do here is that you can see here that right now our search bar would only search the posts and the pages. But let's say if you're having the WooCommerce website and you also want to search your products here. Okay, so to add that, you can simply scroll down and you'll be able to see the option of products here. So if I can show you here, all right, so we have the products. Okay, so now let's just drag this and put this here, and now it will also search your WooCommerce products if you have the WooCommerce products. Okay, and after this, what we can do, we can go inside the layout options. And in the layout options, you can see here, we have the placeholder text. We have the search box width on the different screen sizes. And you can also see the other options here. So if you wanted to add the margin, you can add this from here. If you wanted to change the font family of your search bar, you can simply do this from here. And you can also see the other option here as well. So right now, we only want to change the theme here. So let's just click on the simple blue. Okay, that is not that I want. All right, we can go here, the simple gray, not exactly. Okay, so let's go here with, let's say, underline white. All right, so now this is looking good. This is looking simple. And this is what I want here. Perfect. And after this, what we can do, Okay, so now let's just save the settings and let's just go back to our website, refresh the page. Now you'll be able to see our AJAX search bar, and right now you can see this, we are having a new theme here. And now if I search the products here as well that we have in our WooCommerce, you'll also be able to see the products here. Okay, so if I just search for the pages here, so right now what can I search from here? I can search the posts that I have posted on my blog. I can search for the pages that we have in our website, and we can also search the products that we have in our WooCommerce store. Okay, so right now you can see here that we can only see the 10 products or the 10 search items. Okay, so if you wanted to change the number here, you can go back into your AJAX Searchlight dashboard, and from here you can do one thing, that you have to go into the general options and you have to go inside the behavior, and in the behavior you can see the option of let's say the maximum results. So you can simply change the number from here. So if I change the number from here 10 to 20, so now it would have the limit of the max results to 20. So let's save this option, and now we can go back here. Let's just refresh this, and here if I search any product right now, so let's write down A or something like this. Alright, so now you will be able to see more options than before. Okay, you can see here we are having the more options here, but the limit is for the 20, but you can also change this from the dashboard. Okay, so this is how we can add the AJAX search in WordPress. So if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.